Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to join your friends in a lobby in Monster Hunter Wilds. Whether you're looking to team up for epic hunts or just want to explore together, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. Step 1. Launch the game. First, make sure that you have Monster Hunter Wilds installed and updated to the latest version. Launch the game from your console or PC. Step 2. Access the main menu. Once the game is loaded, head to the main menu. Here, you'll see several options, including single player, multiplayer, and settings. To join a friend's lobby, select multiplayer. Step 3. Choose the Join a Lobby option. After entering the multiplayer menu, you'll see multiple options like Create a Lobby and Join a Lobby. Choose Join a Lobby to connect with your friends. Step 4. Search for your friend's lobby. Now you'll be prompted with a list of available lobbies. You can either search by your friend's username or scroll through the list to find your friend's active lobby. If they've already created a private lobby, it will be listed under their name. Step 5. Send a request to join. Once you've found your friend's lobby, select it and send a join request. If the lobby is private, your friend will need to approve your request before you can enter. If the lobby is public, you should be able to enter immediately. Step 6. Wait for confirmation. After your request is accepted, you'll receive a notification that you've successfully joined the lobby. If you're having trouble joining, ensure your network connection is stable and your friend's lobby is open for new players. Step 7. Prepare for the hunt. Once you're in, you can chat with your friends, organize your loadouts, and get ready for some intense monster hunting action. Don't forget, if you're looking to create your own lobby, simply choose Create a Lobby in the multiplayer menu, customize the settings, and invite your friends to join. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Remember, Monster Hunter Wilds is more fun when you team up with friends, so go ahead and start hunting together. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more gaming tips and guides.